Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to use ContactOut, a step-by-step guide for recruitment and lead generation. In today's competitive landscape, recruitment and lead generation are more challenging than ever before. Companies and businesses need powerful tools to help them find the right candidates or clients. ContactOut is one such tool, offering a simple yet highly effective solution for finding contact details, building strong professional networks. What is ContactOut? ContactOut is an email and phone number finding tool designed to help businesses, recruiters, and sales teams find and connect with professionals. It scans public data and databases to provide the contact information of people on LinkedIn and other platforms, allowing users to bypass the tedious process of manually searching for contact details. For recruiters, ContactOut simplifies the process of sourcing candidates by providing a wealth of information on potential hires. For businesses or sales teams, it is a powerful lead generation tool that allows for the creation of highly targeted email campaigns. Step 1. Setting up your ContactOut account. The first step is to create an account on ContactOut. Visit the ContactOut website. Head to the ContactOut website, contactout.com, to begin the registration process. Create an account. You will need to sign up with either your email or LinkedIn credentials. The easiest and fastest way to register is by using LinkedIn, as it syncs seamlessly with the platform. Choose a subscription plan. ContactOut offers multiple plans, including free and paid versions. If you are just getting started, the free version gives you access to limited searches, while the paid plans unlock features like unlimited searches, bulk exporting, and more detailed contact information. Set up your profile. Once logged in, fill out your profile. This will allow ContactOut to tailor your searches and recommendations more accurately. A complete profile helps you establish credibility if you are using it for recruitment or sales. Step 2. Installing the ContactOut Chrome extension. To maximize your use of ContactOut, install the Chrome extension, which integrates directly with LinkedIn and other platforms. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for ContactOut in the Chrome Web Store or visit the ContactOut website and click on the Add to Chrome button. Install the extension. Click the Add to Chrome button. Once installed, you will see the ContactOut icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Log in to your account. After installation, click the ContactOut icon in the top right corner to log in to your account. Now you are ready to start finding contact information directly from LinkedIn and other sources. Step 3. Using ContactOut for recruitment. Recruitment is one of the primary use cases for ContactOut, as it allows you to quickly find candidates and build a recruitment pipeline. Find candidates on LinkedIn. Use the ContactOut extension on LinkedIn to view the contact details of potential candidates. When browsing profiles, you will see a ContactOut button next to the candidate's name. Click on it to instantly retrieve their email address and phone number if available. Use advanced filters for targeted searches. For more refined searches, use LinkedIn's advanced search filters to find candidates based on criteria like location, job title, experience, and more. Once you have found a short list of candidates, click on the ContactOut icon next to their name to access their contact details. View and organize contact information. The ContactOut dashboard allows you to save and organize the contact details of candidates. You can also export the data into a CSV or integrate it with your CRM system. Reach out. Once you have your candidates' contact details, you can start reaching out with personalized emails. The tool helps you streamline this process, as you can directly send messages to candidates or add them to an email campaign. Build a recruitment pipeline. Use ContactOut's features to build a recruitment pipeline. Save contacts, categorize them. For example, applied, interviewing, offer, etc., and track their progress through your hiring workflow. Step 4. Using ContactOut for lead generation. Lead generation is another essential function that ContactOut excels at. Sales teams and marketing professionals can use the tool to find high-quality ideas for outreach and conversion. Identify potential leads on LinkedIn, whether you are looking for decision makers or specific individuals in a company. LinkedIn is a great resource for finding leads. Use ContactOut's extension to easily access the contact information of potential leads. Use industry and job titles to refine search. When generating leads, use LinkedIn's advanced search filters to narrow your search. Target individuals in specific industries, job roles, or geographic locations. Once you have a list of leads, you can use the ContactOut tool to gather their emails and phone numbers. Export leads to CRM or Excel. If you're working with a large number of leads, you can export their contact information into a CRM system or an Excel spreadsheet. This helps you keep track of your outreach efforts and follow-ups. Email campaigns. ContactOut integrates with email marketing platforms, making it easier to run email outreach campaigns directly from the tool. Personalize your emails for each lead and track the results to determine which messaging resonates the most. Automate your lead nurturing process. With ContactOut, you can automate follow-ups, schedule emails, and set reminders to engage with leads at the right times. The more leads you collect, the easier it becomes to automate and scale your lead generation process. Step number 5, managing your outreach and communication. Whether you are hiring or generating leads, communication is key. With ContactOut, you can manage outreach more effectively. Keep track of communication. Record each email or phone call you make to candidates or leads. Use ContactOut CRM or integrate it with your existing CRM to track all communication with your prospects. Follow-up reminders. Set reminders to follow up with candidates or leads who have not responded to your initial outreach. You can automate these reminders to stay organized and maintain consistent communication. Personalization is key. Personalize your outreach based on the contact's role, location, and interest. Use the data you gather through ContactOut to craft messages that will stand out and increase your response rate. Monitor results. Track the results of your recruitment or lead generation campaigns. Use metrics such as email open rates, response rates, and conversion rates to improve your approach. Step 6. Best practices for using ContactOut in 2025. To make the most out of ContactOut, here are a few best practices. Focus on quality, not quantity. Instead of gathering thousands of contacts, focus on quality leads or candidates who meet your criteria. Targeted outreach is far more effective than mass outreach. Integrate with other tools. To maximize efficiency, integrate ContactOut with your CRM, ATS, or applicant tracking system or email marketing platform. This streamlines your processes and makes managing data easier. Respect privacy and be ethical. While ContactOut provides access to valuable contact details, always ensure you respect privacy laws and ethical guidelines when reaching out to individuals. Obtain consent when required and be transparent about your intentions. ContactOut is an invaluable tool for recruitment and lead generation in 2025. Whether you are a recruiter searching for top candidates or a sales professional aiming to expand your client base, ContactOut streamlines the process and enhances your efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to harness the full power of ContactOut to drive results, save time, and scale your recruitment and lead generation efforts effectively. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.